Just carry him on the stage. His parents will see him. Mil gaya? Aa gaya. Okay, his mummy is come. Go away. His mummy is here. All right. Okay, so now, remember before we actually go in for the performance by this lovely girl called Vandana, give her a very big hand. Very big hand to Vandana. I want to remind you that we have tonight, in almost an hour from now, the cutoff time to buy your lucky dip coupons is 9:30 p.m. The lucky dip coupons are बच्चे का माँ बाप नहीं मिले अभी तक. Okay, the cutoff time for lucky dip coupons is 9:30 p.m. Now, what can you win? You can win the Tata Nano for how much? 100 rupees. Lucky drip. We'll pick it up right now. We'll give you the keys if you have won and if you're present here right now. You can win an electric two-wheeler. You can win that. The mummy is here. The mummy is here, I think. Is that the mummy? Okay. Okay. You can win a washing machine, which is on me, with me on the stage. 10 other consolation prizes. But right now, Vandana's music is gone? Yeah? Great. Vandana ji. Aye. Thank you.
बड़ी बुम्बाट
Very good performance. Very good performance. Wonderful. Give her a very, very big hand. Vandana ji, I want to invite you back on stage because there's a special prize for you from a special guest. So I want to know you're tired. On behalf of one of our honored guests, Mr. Unni, he has given you an envelope and I hope you accept it. And on behalf of him, I would hand over this to you. Ladies and gentlemen. You want to invite your mother and father. Wow, okay. And your uncle. Okay, wow. Mother, father, uncle, please come on the stage. Matthew, father. Okay. Matthew, father is your guru. Okay. Great. Ladies and gentlemen, this is no ordinary feat. When you perform with whatever God has given you, and Vandana has done that. Warm welcome to her parents and to Matthew, father, who's a guru. So I gift this to you with all humbleness. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, Vandana with the parents and her guru. Thank you, friends. Thank you. Wonderful. I hope we can get you back if we have time. Thank you very much. We're having another session of comedy. And this time it's going to be pure comedy. Aha. Clean comedy. And very nice comedy which will really make you laugh. The one and only Vipul Goyal. Come on, Vipul bhai, aaiye. Let's get you on stage, my friend. अच्छा बोलेगा? सच्चा बोलेगा? बोलो बोलो.
नहीं पता था टीचर के यहाँ आए तो कंप्लेंट तो होगी. So any South Indians हैं यहाँ पे हमारे यहाँ South Indians? Good, good. दिख नहीं रहे यार अंधेरे में. Is it South Indians? They've got such long names. Last name. I heard they even include the name of their town, colony, village in their names. Right? I once met a South Indian. He even had a pin code in his name, you know. The Subramaniam Ramaswamy Tiruvananthapuram 400076. Bengali log hai? Any Bengali people here? Right? You see, Bengali people, they have got so much ego, right? Yeah, they think so highly of themselves. उन्होंने अपने नाम में ही जी लगा रखे हैं. Chatterjee, Mukherjee, Banerjee. But when they open their mouth, no energy. Lots of energy. I don't know what's wrong with Bengalis, but some of the Bengalis still think that India got freedom because of Rabindranath Tagore's poetry skills. You know? As if the British rulers just looked at his poems and went, oh my God, there is so much pain in his poems. Let's just go back, Simon. Any Punjabis here? Punjabis, make some noise. Nahin? Oh, sorry, I forgot they are in Canada. You know, all the Punjabis are in Canada. You know what do they call Canadians in Canada now? Minority. You know? And I don't know what's wrong with Punjabis, but after getting drunk, you have seen this? Punjabis after getting drunk, they suddenly start speaking in English as if they know it. You know, that English is so bad that only the Pakistani cricketers can understand it. You know Pakistani cricketers, right? When it comes to English, they don't speak in words, you know. They speak in passwords. You know. And the most common used password is Inshallah 123. You know, see, I'm not making fun of people. You know, we have these stereotypes in our country, right? Like if it's a Gujarati, people just assume that he's going to be cheap. If it's a Marwadi, then people just assume that he's going to be a cheaper version of Gujarati. Any Marwadis in the audience?